Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, so today we'll be talking about how to mail merge here. This has to do with two very important office softwares, which is Microsoft Word and Excel. Okay, so first of all, what is mail merge? What is it used for? Advantage, disadvantage, and a whole lot that comes up next.
Mail merge is a handy feature that incorporates data from both Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel and allows you to create multiple documents at once, such as letters, saving you the time and effort of retyping the same letter over and over. Advantages: only one letter needs to be created, as the rest are automatically generated. There are less chances of mistakes being included. The data source can be used for many different mail merges, so it saves time having to recreate it. The data source only needs checking for accuracy once. Disadvantages: moving the data file and renaming fields can cause the mail merge to fail, as the word processor program won't be able to find them. The database that provides the information must be kept up to date. A complex mail merge involving word fields can be complex and require training. Mail merge makes it easy to create vast amounts of junk mail. Mail merge letters can lack a personal touch, because the only individual part is the data merged from database.
Alright, so welcome back now. Let's go straight into it. Okay, this is my Microsoft Word. I have the letter I already want to send to my multiple clients opened already. So it just remains for me to format it and make it sendable to every one of them. Okay. Alright, so now this is also a list of the persons I want to send my letter to. Okay, so these are them. I just have five of them here, but in some cases you can have 50, 100, 200, 300, or even thousands. It's all good, it's all fine. It's gonna work exactly the same. Yeah. Okay, now this is it now. So I have this here already opened, and I have this here. Now let's start our mail merge. First thing we need to do is go to mailings. Click on mailings. You're gonna see the address block, this, that. So you say start mail merge. Okay, so step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, so you use an existing list. When I click on the mail merge wizard, it brought out this wizard. So in your case, it may be a pop-up. I'm using the Microsoft Word 2016 version. Okay, so that's why I'm having my pop-up on this side. Okay, so yours might be a pop-up directly on your screen. It's all fine, just follow the same process. Okay, so use an existing list, select from Outlook, type a new list. Okay, or just click here, select a different list. All right, so when I click on select a different list, I'm going to go to the root folder of the mail merge test I opened in Excel. Okay, so this is it here. I'm going to double click on it and it's going to come up this way here. So look at here, check this box. First rule of data content column head, always check this. If you don't check this, it will not automatically see or merge the important column together. Okay, so click on OK. Right, so it's brought this up. So as you can see, you have everybody's name here, name, location, all. Okay, so if you uncheck any of them, it's definitely not going to apply the formatting to that particular. It's not going to send to that particular name also. So there are other way to refine your selections. So you can decide to filter them, filter a particular field, sort the field. Okay, okay, let's use this sort. Let's sort the last names or probably the first names. Okay, so sorting the first name, you see Etel comes up as E here. So if I should sort the last name, this is going to happen. Others is going to come, Adidai rather is going to come up. Okay, Nagi and the rest. Okay, so that's it. So you can do that. You can validate email address. Also you can look for duplicates. In this case there are no duplicates here, so you can find duplicates so you don't send the message to a particular client or customer or partner twice. Okay, alright, so with this we're okay here. I click on OK, and that is step 3 of 6. Okay, the next is to write your letter or previous starting documents. Okay, alright, so with this now, I think I am good to go. Click on next, write your letter. um Next, preview your letter with your recipient. Complete the merge. We can't complete the merge now because we have to fix this together. Yeah, all right. So now what do we have to put here? The address, the address block, where you have the name and the rest. So I'm going to click on the address block and it's going to pop up this. Oh, it's just showing the name and the company. It's not showing the address. Okay, no worries, no need to worry. We'll come to match field here. Probably didn't match the field very well. Okay, first name match the first name, last name match the last name, company name match the company name, and we have, okay, address one should match the company address, and we should have the city match to local government, and we should have the state match to state and countries. Okay, your formatting might be different. Okay, it's just going to work perfectly fine. See, they have a whole lot of other formatting here. Okay, all right. So I'm going to click on remember this matching for the set of data on this computer. Okay, so that next time I don't have to do this same selecting automatically matches them up. I'm going to click on OK, and you can see this now. The address and the locations are okay here now. All right, so how do I want this name to come? If I want just the first name, I'm going to select that here. You can see it changed to just Adasa here. If I click on this, the full name is going to come out and it's going to apply to every one of them. All right, so now I'm going to click on OK. This is good for me. This is a preview panel here. It's good for me. I'm going to click on OK. So as you can see, it automatically pops up here because the preview button is on here. So if I should uncheck the preview button, so this is what will pop up. Okay, so if this should pop up, then this is fine. Now the next one is the greeting line. All right, for the greeting line, let's put a greeting line. So we have dear this. So this is how, if you want the full name to be called out, but you can choose it. For me, I want just the first name. Okay, so that the dear learner, you can see for the others, dear Ethel, dear Prickly. All right, so I'm going to click on OK here. So after that, I'm going to remove this dear all I initially typed here. I'm going to take it out, and we have just this address block, greeting line, and we good. Yeah. All right, so this is it. This is the email I want to send. So let's preview now to see if we're all correct. So I'm going to click on the preview panel. You can see iSnaggy, DSTs. Okay, and move forward. You can see it's the same thing for every one of them. Okay, I'm move a comma from here. All right, so you can see now it's the same thing for every one of them. Okay, so we have all now. To finish up this mail merge, you can just click on finish and merge. You can either edit individual document if you want to add a little field differently on them, and send as email. You can want to send them directly as email, or if you want to print them and put them in an envelope and send. Okay, so I think with this we're able to cover the major concept or the major part of mail merge. Okay, if there are omissions or things you think you didn't get correctly, feel free to comment, and we'll always look for a way to fix it out. Okay, we'll fix it out. Okay, we'll sort everything out. All right, thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you so much. Yeah, see you all soon. Bye.